Welcome to Fact Snack 360. Centuries ago, alchemists dreamed of turning lead into gold. While it once seemed like pure fantasy, modern science has shown it's technically possible, though only in incredibly tiny amounts and under extreme conditions. This process, known as nuclear transmutation, demands enormous energy and advanced equipment like particle accelerators. In fact, scientists at CERN have achieved this, briefly, and in minuscule quantities. The idea of transmuting elements, especially turning base metals into gold, has fascinated humanity for generations. Ancient alchemists pursued this goal through a blend of mysticism and early chemistry. But today, it's physics, not magic, that's made it real, albeit on a microscopic scale. So, how does it work? In theory, any element can be turned into gold, if you can change the number of protons in its atomic nucleus to 79, which is gold's atomic number. This process, nuclear transmutation, involves altering the very identity of an atom. Let's see what is nuclear transmutation. It's the process of changing one element into another by adding or removing protons in an atom's nucleus. To create gold, you must manipulate another element's nucleus to end up with exactly 79 protons. Now let's learn about which metals can be transformed into gold. Here are a few examples. Mercury, with 80 protons, can become gold by removing just one proton. Platinum and iridium, which have 78 and 77 protons respectively, can be transformed into gold by adding 1 or 2 protons. Lead, containing 82 protons, would need to lose 3 protons to become gold. Through carefully controlled nuclear reactions, typically using particle accelerators, these transformations have been made possible, at least in experimental settings. In 1980, researchers at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab in California succeeded in turning bismuth, chemically similar to lead, into gold by bombarding it with high-energy particles. More recently, in May 2025, CERN's ALICE experiment revealed that over the last decade, they had used the Large Hadron Collider to replicate and enhance mechanisms first explored in 2002. The result? Around 260 billion gold nuclei were created during 3 experimental runs, a staggering figure in number, yet totaling only about 90 picograms in mass. While transforming lead into gold is scientifically possible, it's far from practical. The amount of gold produced is vanishingly small, and the process requires massive amounts of energy and resources. It also generates radioactive waste, making it unsafe and economically unviable for real-world applications. So, while the ancient dream has come true in theory, in practice, gold is still best mined, not made. For more interesting Fact Snack, like, share and subscribe.